I have started using my microwave. G'day, it's Zaslavsky. I'm here in a busy Good Guys store with some kitchen quicks. The best quick salad dressing, something tangy, lemon juice or vinegar, olive oil, salt and pepper. That's all you need. I have started using my microwave. There's so many vegetables that you can actually shortcut by whacking them in the microwave. Things like eggplant, pumpkin, potato, sweet potato, all that veg that midweek seems too far away because it takes 40-50 minutes. You can quarter, maybe half that time by giving it a quick zap in the microwave. My best tip for cooking for kids is shared table. So whatever it is that you cook, don't worry about serving it up for them in their plate. Put it on the table and let them serve themselves. It gives them agency and it means that they're probably going to eat it. But also, get them involved in the cooking, because the younger they start cooking, the more that they can become your sous chef. That's it for the Kitchen Quicks. If you've got a quick cooking question, you know where to come. To the Good Guys.